Just started using AutoCount? Before you create your first transaction, make sure your company profile, logo, and invoice design are set up properly. You can watch this video to understand it step by step.
System over here, general maintenance, company profile, company name, and the registration number. You just paste the one, okay, and the remark is chapter 1, and the color is follow this tutorial book is yellow color. You go to color and then select the yellow color. Address, phone number, just update your company one. Okay, for address 2, usually we put the postcode over here. We're not going to separate the postcode. We just key in the postcode at the address 2 here, and also your state. Phone number you update here. The email address you key in or without key in also doesn't matter. I explain why. Because the next step after we key in the address is going to here, logo and report header. You key into the general here. This all information won't show in our invoice letterhead or payment voucher letterhead. Not going to show. If you want to show your invoice letterhead or payment voucher letterhead, you have to tap into this logo and report header, and then click this set default report header. Okay, if you click, then the system will automatically update for you. This is our invoice letterhead or payment voucher letterhead. So over here, if I key in the email address also, the system won't capture into the logo and report header. This part will not help much lah. If you want to key in, you key in, just for recording purpose. And you go to report logo and report header here, you set default also won't appear. You have to type the email address manually one more time also. So over here, you can put the left side, middle, or put different color, or put Chinese, Indian, Japanese, Vietnam, whatever. And the font size also whatever. Font size, font type, you can testing yourself. So over here, you just design based on your preference. This is open to design. And next is the logo. The logo here, you can upload your company logo, but here only limit to JPEG formats. So I suggest you change to all file. Select all file, that means whatever formats being recognized by the system, the image formats. Okay, I just suggest you put all files and then go and search the where your company logo located, and then you just upload over here. Signature, for your boss signature and so on, if you want, and you can upload as well. Ask your dealer help you to upload this signature into the invoice quotation and so on. This is how company profile done.
Do you want to learn more about operating AutoCount? We have several ways to help you. If you want to learn AutoCount system more systematically, we have classroom training, online training, and one-to-one teaching. But if your schedule is packed, you can also choose our e-learning courses. As long as you have time, you can log into our website and learn the AutoCount system at your convenience. But if you are not sure which option suits you best, you can message me privately and I can give you some advice. Thank you, everyone.